Good morning, students. Today we will be read about scene 2 of my elder brother. In previous class, we already read the scene 1 of this play. So, let's start. So now, let's see what happened in the scene 2. Scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. So now you see final exam are over and the result are out. You see the final exams are over and results are out in is the scene 2. Now we will read the conversation again. Bhaiya, alas, I have failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now, there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while, in a gulli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes A C B instead of A B C, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbook. Okay? Now, what happened with the result were out? Bhaiya failed once again. But this time, Munna has passed. He said that, Bhaiya, I have passed and taught my class. Now, there is only 2 years difference between us. On hearing that, Bhaiya replied, don't be so happy. It's just like a gilli danda game. Sometimes you might hit a goal, but it's not you will be lucky all the time, okay? As soon as you come in higher classes and you will study subject like geometry and algebra, it's not necessary that you will be succeed. He even give an example of geometry every right of the angle and triangle like ACB instead of ABC. The whole answer will be wrong. So basically, scared Munna that he should not be happy with just one success because many further hurdles to come and one cannot be successful in life just one single achievement. Now let's see what Munna replied. Munna, Oh bhai saab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the ninth class now. But I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Bhaiya, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's also mixed up. Munna, thinking aloud. Thank God. It was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. So, what happened after hearing all this? Munna replied that all this is very scary and he didn't want to go to ninth class after hearing all this. But he still complete his day's homework so that he doesn't get punishment in the class. Then Bhaiya replied, basically told him incident that happened in the class. He said that he had to write essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages, and still the essay was considered short. So he said that just imagine, how can an essay of 4 pages be short? And Munna thinking aloud. Munna thinking aloud. Thinking aloud means basically he is thinking aloud, that means he was speaking also. Thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone and on. Now this was the end of the scene 2. It's done for today. I hope you all are understood it very well. Now what should you do? You all are read this story aloud at home, at least for 20 minutes. And after that you will be write the difficult words also in your notebook